In today's episode, I'm going to walk you through how to hide reels on Facebook. So if you want to hide your reels from a couple of people, then you can easily do it from settings of your Facebook. It's going to be quick and easy, so let's get right into it. Firstly, from the home screen of your Facebook, tap on the three lines on the top right of the screen. And now from here, scroll down and tap on settings and privacy, and then again tap on settings. From the settings page, all you need to do is tap on the search bar on the top of the screen and then search for privacy. And tap on the privacy option. Now after you do that, if you scroll down a bit, under your activity, you'll be able to see an option of who can see your future reels. Now if you tap on this option, it would be selected to public. If you want to remove it or to hide it from a particular person, you can tap on friends accept and then exclude some of the people that you want to hide the reel from. Other than that, you can also choose the second options and only choose friends on your Facebook, so other people other than your friends won't be able to see your reels. And there you go. That's how easily you can remove or hide reels on Facebook. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, then don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And if you are new here, subscribe and turn on the notifications for more upcoming videos. That's all for today, and I'll see you in the next one.